In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export a page tree from Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to export an entire page hierarchy as a PDF or HTML file for sharing, backup, or offline access. Open the Confluence space that contains the page tree you want to export. Navigate to the parent page at the top of the hierarchy, as this determines which child pages are included in the export. Click the More Actions menu, represented by the three dots in the top right corner, and select Export. Depending on your Confluence version, you can choose to export as PDF, HTML, or another available format. If the option is available, enable Include Child Pages or Export Page Tree, so the entire page hierarchy is included instead of only the current page. Choose any additional export settings, such as page layout or attachment options if needed. Click Export and wait for Confluence to generate the file. Large page trees may take a few moments to process. Once the export is complete, download the generated file to your computer. Review the exported document to confirm that all pages, formatting, and attachments have been included correctly before sharing or archiving it. That's how to export a page tree from Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.